Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the stored procedure exists and matches the data shapes you need. Create or update your DB context with clear method signatures to call it. This lets you centralize behavior. Define input parameter objects and lightweight DTOs for any result sets so mapping is explicit. Once done, add an initial migration only if you alter schema, otherwise skip migrations. Make sure to reference Microsoft, Entity Framework Core, SQL Server, or the provider that matches your database. Now you call the stored procedure from code. Use from SQL raw for queries returning rows and execute SQL raw for non-query operations, always parameterizing inputs to avoid injection. Map returned columns to your DTO properties either by matching names or using a projection and link. That ensures type safety. Use async methods like to list async and await results, and wrap calls in an explicit transaction scope if the proc changes multiple tables, so rollback. Finish by writing targeted integration tests that run the stored procedure and verify outputs and database side effects. Tests catch mapping mismatches early. Add logging around the command and parameters so you can reproduce odd results. This helps when you inspect SQL profiler traces or execution plans. If something goes wrong, first confirm parameter types and column names match exactly. Then run the proc directly in the database to isolate EF issues. Make iterative fixes and rerun tests until behavior is stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.